Named Jafed. It's over there. Don't show him. Lucy, get your butt over here. Okay. Anyways, you gotta get a piece of paper. You fold it up. No, you probably get a tissue because it's gonna hurt if you. Okay, you fold it up like this, and then you go here to German. Press. Alright, so now we got hand sanitizer on a napkin. I'm gonna pretend I sneeze and it's gonna go all over Jafed's thing. And then I'm gonna make a run for it. Alright? Hello. Hi.
No, stop.
Oh yeah, FYI, I'm posting this on like Instagram. Ready?
Look at it.
I got him good. Invincible Izzy, out.